Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with the tradersperspective.com doing my weekend analysis. Before you, you have USLV, that's 3 times long ETF silver, uh, sponsored by, I believe it was Velocity Shares. Yeah, Velocity Shares, 3x long silver ETN. So, went ahead and just put in a couple lines and actually changed from Japanese candlestick over to Heiken Ashi, and it kind of makes it a little bit easier to see when the actual like true selling is coming into play. I'll go ahead and switch it back for you. And then you can see here that we have some sell days, and that all depends upon the high, the low, etc. for the Japanese. I'm not really too sure about the Heiken Ashi, but it does make it kind of easier to see what's happening here and where the overall bullishness or bearishness comes into play as we go. So let me go ahead and get back to my analysis here. Um, Zooming out a little bit on the daily time frame over the past 6 months, you can see a double bottom here. I'll zoom out a little bit more. So we have a double bottom that's developed here and here around $11. So now I would expect, just like here, we had a pretty much straight shot rally up, ran into this 50 period simple moving average, and then we ended up consolidating a little bit and then continuing higher once we did in fact get above that 50 period simple moving average denoted by this white line here. So I would expect pretty much the same thing for U silver. So USLV is definitely going to come up to this 50 and then kind of churn a little bit and then try to maintain a new upwards move to above 1484 in the coming weeks or so. But that's what I'm kind of seeing with USLV. It does look like a good opportunity to begin obtaining a position. If I drop down to the 30-minute time frame or 60-minute time frame, you can kind of get a better idea of areas and what's happening for as far as entry. You can see here that we have this uptrend line here, and this is the 50 period simple moving average 60-minute chart. So you can see that we have been kind of trending higher, and it does look pretty good. But I would just say that in order for this move to kind of continue in a dramatic fashion, I would like to see us kind of consolidate a little bit in between this area here, just like we did back here. Go ahead and zoom out so that it's in frame, just like we did back here. So I'd say we go up, hit this 50 just like we will here, and then we're going to trade sideways a little bit, and then finally the bulls will get their legs, and then we'll take on the next level, which will be around 14.95, maybe an extension up to $15. So that's what I'll be looking for USLV. I'm on Wall Street. This has been another presentation by the tradersperspective.com. Thank you all so much for watching.